I'm gonna show you how to log in into your Zangi account. So to get started, you have to open first your Zangi application, and then from there, on the button you can see the sign in account, or if you don't have an account, just click on register. So since we have to sign in, just click on sign in, and then from there you have to input your number on Zangi when you created the account. So from there you're gonna click it and then click on the arrow next, and then from there you just have to input your password right there, because if you didn't create a password before, you will need to create another Zangi number account. So from there, once you input the password, you just have to click on next, and after you go to next, you will now redirected to the home page of Zangi. So from there you have now logged in into your account. So that's just it. That's how to log in into your Zangi account.